Here's this cold ass Negro. The fuck is he playing? On your ass, cuz. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy, Show. You hear me? If you can hear me, you can understand, man. Today, the spoiler is going on SRT spoiler with the Wicker Bill. So you finna go crazy. I told you this rear end finna get put together. So can't do too much talking. There's gonna be music in the background. Stay tuned. Alright, I can't do too much talking because music playing as always, man. We got the spoiler off that thing, man. Sheesh. So, goo gone, heat gone, got everything off. Just gotta plug these holes, man. Spoiler over there, so I'll show y'all the spoiler real quick. Then where the fuck is the spoiler? Oh. Think of that. Here go the spoiler, SRT spoiler. Yes, sir. Get back with y'all when that's on. Alright, y'all, it's a whole nother day, a whole nother week, man. I'm in the process of moving, so I don't have the time like I did to drop these videos, so bear with me, man. I'm trying, man. So as soon as I move and all that good stuff, then I'll be right back. It's a green light for everything, but everything is on, man. The special mod is on as well, man. So I couldn't show you how we put the surprise mod on because Jay got his, you know, secret sauce on how he do it. So I don't want to give him no secrets on how he do his thing, man. But bear with me because it is windy out here. So I'm gonna let y'all check this thing out, man. Sheesh. Added the louvers on there, man. I got it from Vicer's, big ass treat. So Vicer's goofy ass, they sent my bolts, but they sent this one bigger than the rest of them. So I'm missing one. I gotta wait on them to send that. But other than that, that's the car now. Shit, these damn trees. Oh, let me get ready to chop it up with y'all real quick. All right, so that thing on. That look good back there, man. I thought that I wouldn't be able to see, but I can still see. I'm out here, man. The other day I was driving. I seen a phone hanging out the window, you know, while I was in traffic. So I'm not doing this for attention. I'm not doing this for clout. I'm doing this for none of that. This is just me. Me and these cars, that's me. You know what I'm saying? Anybody that know me, they know I'm into this shit heavy. So anybody think I'm, you know, oh, he just started YouTube because he got, no, bro. No, bro. I've been putting cars together, man. Y'all see this car over there, man. I've been putting cars together. This is nothing new, man. And this ain't the end for this Charger for real. So, like I said the first time, man, as soon as I move, it'll be a green light for putting all my videos back together. Here you talking about, because Hemi thing is possible. We're going to get this Hemi put together, man. I told y'all ain't no flaking, no fluffing. I'm put this car together, and it's going to be crazy, man. So, make sure y'all follow Jay. There goes Instagram right there, bing, bang. Make sure y'all follow him, man, because pretty much everything get done to mine, he already did to his. He know how all this stuff go on. So I mean, I could do it myself, but me and Jay, we just tight like that. You know what I'm saying? So he always gonna hook me up. Always gonna look out for me. It's HT for the win. You know what I'm saying? Plus May 1st, I'm gonna say it now before the video comes out. May 1st is the HT, aka Head Turners season opener. Come on, man. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, because sometimes I do little sneak peeks, or I'll give away the next video and I'll post, you know, the next mod. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Make sure y'all hit that like button if y'all like the back of this car, man. If y'all like the way this car going, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe, man, because a lot of people watch, they're not subscribing. So make sure you hit them buttons, man. Hit that post notification, because you know when I drop these things, I'm always doing something fire to this car, man. So once again, it's your boy, Show. You hear me? If you can hear me, you can understand. Yiddy!